In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate ClickUp to create a Gantt chart for your project management needs. We'll break down this process into simple, manageable steps so you can follow along with ease. By the end of this guide, you'll have your Gantt chart set up and ready to help you visualize and manage your project timeline efficiently. To begin, we'll start by opening up ClickUp. If you're not familiar with it, ClickUp is a versatile and intuitive platform designed for project management. It helps teams organize tasks, timelines, and workflows all in one space, making collaboration a seamless process. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to ClickUp's website. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you do so by entering your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your command center for managing all your projects. Next, you'll want to navigate to Spaces within ClickUp. Think of spaces as the broad categories or divisions in your organization. Each space can contain multiple projects. Choose the space that houses the project for which you want to create a Gantt chart. It's important to choose the right one, as this is where you'll be spending most of your time organizing tasks and deadlines. After selecting the appropriate space, look to the upper left area of your screen. Here, you'll see a tab or button labeled Gantt. Go ahead and give that a click. The Gantt chart is a powerful tool that allows you to create a visual project timeline showing each task, milestone, and deadline in a clear, orderly manner. This part of ClickUp is invaluable for tracking the progress of your projects, seeing who is responsible for what and how tasks intersect with one another. Once you've clicked the Gantt button, you'll be directed to a new interface specifically designed for creating and manipulating Gantt charts. At this stage, you can begin by adding tasks one by one. You can assign them to team members, set start and end dates, and even adjust the timeline by dragging and dropping. This drag and drop feature is particularly useful for making quick adjustments to your project schedule without having to manually change start and end times. As you work, remember that the Gantt view is dynamic and will automatically update to reflect any changes you make. This means you can confidently manage your project knowing the timeline is always current. And there you have it, your Gantt chart is ready. With this setup, you can now manage your project more effectively, ensuring that everything is on track and visible to all your team members. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with ClickUp's Gantt chart feature. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy project planning!